are currently constructing our paper airplane. We began by making the main structure and shape of the plane in foam board that we cut to fit a shape of a plane, and then we duct taped the pieces together. But a problem we were having was that the wings kept on really falling down, so we had to create these supports, which actually work pretty well with holding the wings up. And then we have been covering the plane with paper to give it the correct texture and look on film and to make it look more realistic. And right now it looks pretty much like a stealth plane, which fits the NASA idea. We are currently in the blue screen room. We are filming our massive paper airplane flying. So we have it held up on fishing line. Later we're going to mask out the blue so that it looks like it is still flying against the sky. So when the real paper airplane falls with the outdoor shooting, we're going to swap this one in place so it looks like it still continues to fly. Ben and Megan are holding up the left and right wings, and they're going to move them up and down. And then the nose, we had to devise this weird contraption to hold it up properly, but then it was too far to the right, so then we had to use some physics to pull it back to the left by wrapping another wire around the pole.
Yay! Okay, we are here on this beautiful sunny day. We're at the Number Garden, which looks like this. It's very visually cool looking, and we are throwing our paper airplane, and we're doing a bunch of test runs with it and seeing how it works out. It can actually fly pretty far, which is cool, and it's pretty windy too, so that's been a lot of fun. Yeah. Ben has lots of fun with it.
Here, have this plane right here.
Look at that. Woo! That was one of the better ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.